Let's see. Caught cheating. With
a college freshman or with a junior is insane.
TJ,
Are we serious?
send some shit like that and I'll send some shit to your mom. You don't want
Okay,
shit.
then I'll send shit to your parents. I'll send this to your parents too.
Got him. Gotcha. You want to be better? We can be better. Listen, fam. No. This dude is crashing out, bro. You're doing the most. You being extra. You already knew this little chick for the street. Look what she got on. She got on a shirt that's cursing. She got on some Daisy Duke shorts and probably ain't got nobody's ass. Probably ain't got nothing. That thing probably flatter than doggone 2 flapjacks, man. But these are the type of chicks that y'all think it's okay to either wife up or put your trust in, fam. She been a 304. She was never your girlfriend. She was never your wife. It was just your turn. You do what you need to do, and then you go on about your doggone business. But under no circumstances, I don't give a damn how good the head is, how good you think the box is. She probably done gave that thing to everybody. Exhibit A. You see her right now. What she doing right now? She just doing what she's supposed. This is what she does. You can't hate the player, fam. Hate the game, but keep playing though. Keep playing, man. Don't get in your feelings. Dude over there like, listen, man. Hey, I don't even rock with her like that, bro. I'm just over here to clap cheeks. I don't need to get my face in this camera. I don't need nobody to see me. We are literally just clapping cheeks. And look. Wait. Let me go back. I want y'all to pay attention. Look. Yeah. He done clapped before. He definitely done clapped before. This right here, this is not a first time. All right? This is not the first time. This has definitely happened before. So don't get upset, fam. Stuff like this happens, and it's better that you find out now before you start that, before children get involved, marriage gets involved, and everything else, man. I would say this is actually a W for you to get out as soon as possible, to figure out that you were dealing with a 304 as soon as this right here, dealing with a college freshman. That college got too many L's, but it's okay. It's all right. All right? It is okay. But yeah, she done definitely got clapped a couple of times. And let me tell you something, man. Like, listen, hey, it ain't easy in them cars. That's all I'm saying about that right now. It ain't easy. She got it. My bad. Hey. Why is she getting on her phone? What's on your phone? What's on your phone that's that interesting? Like, what's on there? With them doggone, even the shorts look like they too big, man. Well, like, listen, man. The windows fogged up. Yeah. It was about to be some things going on, boy, for real. Word. She up there swatting it. Yeah, don't get in your feelings, man. Don't get in your feelings. Don't get upset. She like, oh, you petty. Look, oh, he petty. You gonna send it to who? Oh man, but yeah, y'all let me know what you guys think down in the comments about that, man.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.